micro ablation machine as well as laser in your Victoria Hospital. So we are going to show the laser machine first. 1470 nanometer laser machine. The 1470 nanometer laser machine we can use for the varicose vein as well as gynecology. Cosmetic work. There are so many functions in the laser machine. You can see here. ENT, submersion, and use the laser machine in the EVD cases. Same is another Eco Company microwave ablation machine. So we have different kinds of antennas. First, 16 gauge 100 millimeter. You can use metallic antenna with thyroid tumors as well as breast tumors. We have another antenna with the length 150 millimeter in the gauge 16 gauge. This antenna you can use lungs, liver, and kidney. We have different protocols in our machine. First, second, and third. First is for the lungs, liver, and kidney. The machine output power is maximum 150 watts. So we have a chart for use single tumor ablations. Like suppose the 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter, we have to put 80 watts and maximum is 8 times. So we have to put your antenna into the tumor up to 8 minutes. You can ablate the totally the tumor will be ablated. Thank you.
Next, I would like to Dr. Srinivas to speak a few words.
I'm superintendent and director of the small event. And this analytical health private limited company has given this laser and micro machines to our department. So from this, we can students also can benefit by seeing the procedures, and poor patients are also benefited because we can start doing laser ablation of the varicose veins and benign thyroid lesions, breast lesions, and metastatic liver or primary liver lesions, and renal kidney lesions also. It serves orthopedic, it will help in ablation of the ablate osteoma also. Some primary brain tumor also you can ablate by using this microwave machine. And this will benefit patient, and this is the first time in government institution in Karnataka. Nowhere it's there in Karnataka. First medical college, and only here we are doing information procedures. I would like to invite, thank you, Vijay Kumar.
And the cost of the equipment is nearly 40 to 50 lakhs. 50 lakhs. So getting 50 lakhs equipment on a CSR is a huge benefit for the hospital. So at this juncture, I would like to call upon our medical superintendent, Dr. Deepak sir, to speak a few words on this.
Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, I think 3 or 4 weeks back, Dr. Srinivas came to my room with them, and they asked, and many companies will be coming to my room and telling that we'll do that, we'll do. So first day I didn't take it seriously. Then next day he came and followed up and he said in the next 1 or 2 weeks they are coming and installing the machine. Then I got serious, and very much thanks for you, because giving such a machine here will really help our not only our patients but also our postgraduates and junior faculty. And really there is many indications, as they said, especially in varicose vein and in our field for osteoma. I think it will be a great exposure for you. And yes, as a medical superintendent, I will just ask how much does each procedure cost, so that how much income the hospital gets, and the disposables, or how to manage the disposables. So we'll see how we can get it. Maybe if it is within the limits of it, Dean is here only, we can take extra efforts to take more and more of it and make the facility utilized more, but let it not be abused and let it not be mishandled by the trainees and the trainers. Thank you so much.
Next, I would like to call upon Director sir. to speak a few words on this.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, the first program here after the new HOD has taken over, I would like to congratulate Dr. Vijay. And I also would like to congratulate Arun for doing excellent work. And of course, with support, Dr. Vijay will be managing the department. And I'm sure all these years they will be doing excellent work. And all of you, for those of you who don't know me, myself and Deepak both are from orthopedics department, the professional of orthopedics. And we are, as you know, orthopedics and radiology go together. All my investigations, everything happening here, and they've been supporting us a lot. Thank you so much for that. And today, again, I thank the department for inviting me here for this inauguration of this new machine, this microwave therapeutic system. And this machine costing about 50 lakhs, close to 50 lakhs. I thank the company, the company, for having sponsored this through the CSR. And as Dr. Srinivas said, this machine will be useful for various procedures in the department, for all other departments, including for the postgraduates and the staff of this department. Thank you again for this gesture, and I'm sure this can go ahead with this procedures immediately. Anything needed from our college, we are there to help you. And I would like the HOD to give a brief more about this machine.